A man's role in marriage is simple. He's the provider, the protector, the leader, the one in charge. What?
Oh, really? So when the spider was in the bathroom last night, who was in charge of screaming and running?
Okay, well, spiders are an exception. I meant I'm in charge of the big stuff, like finances.
Oh, you mean the big stuff, like forgetting to pay the electricity bill last month? A woman's role is clear too. She's supposed to cook, clean, and raise the kids, right?
Okay, first of all, the last time you cooked, we ended up eating cereal for dinner because the fire alarm wouldn't stop.
It's called charred perfection. You wouldn't understand.
Fine, but let's not forget that men are supposed to handle all the heavy stuff.
Like that time you needed help opening a jar of pickles. Heavy stuff, huh?
Okay, that jar was sealed by the Hulk. Don't act like it was normal. Okay, maybe these cultural roles aren't working out for us.
Agreed. How about this? We drop the stereotypes and just help each other out.
Deal. I'll cook dinner tonight.
And I'll grab the fire extinguisher, just in case.
A happy home isn't about roles.
It's about teamwork.